But first, a Spokane man sentenced today on charges of fraud dating back to 2006. John Hendricks tracking the story from the newsroom. John, he not only got the prison time, but he has to pay a hefty amount as well.
Aaron, that's right. Greg Jeffries of Spokane was sentenced to 8 years in federal prison and ordered to pay $9.3 million in restitution. According to court documents, from 2006 through 2013, Jeffries operated several fraudulent schemes in and around the Spokane and Las Vegas, Nevada area. He pleaded guilty to charges of wire fraud, bank fraud, and conspiracy to commit felony criminal contempt last November. One of the most notable schemes is the Ridpath Hotel in downtown, in which he was part owner and defaulted on the loan. The judge in the case ordered him to pay $2.6 million in restitution in that case. In a statement to KXLY, U.S. Attorney Michael Ormsby said Greg Jeffries became a notorious fraudster in the Spokane area and elsewhere. I commend the FBI and members of my office for their dedication and tenacity in unraveling Jeffries' fraudulent schemes. Once released from prison, Jeffries will still be under supervision for an additional 5 years. John Hendricks, KXLY 4 News.